Dogecoin to the moon is what I would have said in 2021. But is that still the case in 2025? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys. And today we are talking about Doge, right? So we all know Dogecoin. It is literally the pioneer of meme coins. It's been around forever. And now I want to talk about, is it still worth buying in 2025? Is there better projects? Some update, and then we're going to look at market structure, right? So we all know Dogecoin. It is a meme coin. It is based off the dog, Doge, the Doge dog, right? So it's all about Doge dog, all right? So let's look at some of the news. So House of Dogecoin Foundation, and Clean Solutions launched a 175 million Dogecoin treasury. This was September 2nd. There isn't too many Dogecoin updates these days, but it's still good to see. From what I have done my research, they have about 600 million of Doge in treasuries, something like that is what I saw, right? Then I think they had an attack on Doge or something like that, because they say, without the source being a scammy guy. If any of you know what is up with that, let me know. But they're talking about hash rate, right? Is as high as it's ever been. Hash rate is basically the amount of hashes a crypto produces. I forget like the technical blockchain and analytics and all of that of how it works. But basically, the more hashes a project releases, the harder it is for people to infiltrate it. So it is increasing security, which is good to see. And then they just post memes like this. It's not even a meme, right? It's just a bunch of dudes holding dogs. I don't even know if this is AI anymore or if this is real, right? But Dogecoin's all about dogs, right? And I personally love dogs. I think the world loves dogs, and I think that's why Doge has done so well in the past. Do I think it's going to do well in the future? I think so, but I just don't think you're going to get the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 gains X anymore. I would say Doge is more of a 2X, 3X play, right? And if you're wondering why, I'm going to look at market structure in just a second and explain it to you. So Doge in the last 7 days is up 11%. It's down in market cap a little bit, and it's up in volume quite a bit, right? So it's on all the big exchanges, as you would expect from a pioneer in the meme coin game. And there's 86% community sentiment bullish, which is actually surprising when I saw this. I thought it was going to be lower. I thought maybe even in the 70s it was going to be. But 86%, you guys still really love your Dogecoin, right? So the reason I say it is looking like a 2X play, right? Let's go on the monthly time frame. So these were all-time highs in 2021, right? Do I think we can hit all-time highs? Eventually, yes, but that is in a very, very long time frame. And when I say that, 2-3 years, maybe next bull run cycle, who knows? My target for Doge and your target for Doge should be these highs right over here. I think that is a very realistic area to look for. And if you were to buy now, you'd be looking at pretty much a 2X. That's why I say it is a good 2X play. And if we break it down on the lower time frame, we have been trending upwards, right? You can see that here. Let me get rid of this. So we have a higher high, followed by a higher high, followed by a higher high, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, right? So these are all indicators of a bullish trend. So let me just do this. Wait, right? It looks like we are going to the upside, and this just looks like the next area that it wants to go, right? If it simply just keeps on doing what it's been doing and slowly making its way, this looks like the pattern for Doge. So if you want, I would say a pretty safe 2X for Doge. I definitely think this is possible. right? I think there's better plays out there. I personally prefer Toshi. I prefer Pengu. I prefer Turbo. Those are my top 3 meme coins right now. I'm constantly looking at more meme coins, more projects, but as of right now, those are my top 3. But I still think this is a fairly safe 2x play. So yeah, I still think it's a good project, good coin. It's gonna be here forever. And yeah, let me know if you guys are still holding or selling. Make sure you do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.